Hi everybody, Lori at Montrose Farms. We are in the middle of a terrific thunderstorm here in the middle of mid-November. Just got chores done and it's time to feed the girls. They're hanging out under the overhang and they're ready. So here we go. Come on, Bonnie, you can do it. Oh, there you go. Good boy. Good boy. Take it slowly. Come on, Miss Nina. Okay. Everybody's in. Searching for their feed bin. Come on, Nina. Or Fiona, there's some over here, baby. There you go. You go in there. A little bit of a crud hive. Vita. Cozy in here. You can probably hear the rain on the roof. It's a lot lighter now than it was 5 minutes ago. It has just been pouring down. But they're all cozy and warm in here, dry, and they're having some dinner. Hi, Angelelli. Oh, fighting over dinner, the good stuff. Little hustling and bustling around for the right feed bin. What's the matter, Angelelli? Can't get one? She's gonna push her way in there. Fuzzy butts. And there's Queenie. Queenie hates thunder. So everybody else looks like they're hi, Paula. Paula hasn't gotten into the grain yet. She just prefers hay. But that's Pachacuti on the end. She's liked grain for a while. Nom 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 nom. Hey, Mr. Tibbs, you ready for your own din-dins? Alrighty. Alright, well, I'm gonna go feed the dogs. I hope you guys are warm and dry and safe. Be careful out on the roads. I hear they're pretty nasty. And we'll see you on a sunnier day. Paula. What's the matter, Paula? She's gonna say hi to Mr. Tibbs. Oh, she's not sure. Is that what you're freaking out about? You know him. All right, doggies, let's get in there and get your dinner. All right, guys, here we go.